Authority has issued severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties/areas: Butler, Edmondson, Logan, Ohio, Warren, Kentucky. At 4:15 p.m. on August 20th, 2019, effective until 5 p.m. The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Logan County in south-central Kentucky, Butler County in south-central Kentucky, northwestern Warren County in south-central Kentucky, southeastern Ohio County in central Kentucky, west-central Edmondson County in south-central Kentucky, until 500 p.m. CDT. At 4:15 p.m. CDT, the severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southeast of Dunmore, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour.
I thought that said
Hazard,
Denmark.
60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Russellville, Morgantown, Anderson, Auburn, Lewisburg, Rochester, Woodbury, Insco, Mining City, and Dimple. Hail, less than .75 iron wind, 60 miles per hour, damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature-test leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.